Are you going to? You'll need the best man we've got.
And who do you suggest?
Well, me.
What's up people, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I have a bunches of explosive devices in this box. Hidden in these features of markers and lipsticks. You know, I've seen a lot of lipstick spy devices in many movies, cartoons or TV series. This is my first fiction to real video, and as you saw in the video introduction, where we're gonna turn one of the spy gadgets in James Bond movie, You Only Live Twice, which is the lipstick bomb. I actually watched the movie when I was 13 years old, probably, and I am frequently amazed on the gadget, and that's why I'm making one of it and bring the fiction into a reality. And remember that this project is dangerous since we're talking about bombs and explosion. The process on how to build this device is simple as how I built my marker bombs in my first video, and to show to you on how to build it, let's get into this. Now we're done this pretty cool explosive lipstick, very innocent but dangerous. So let's try this outside and let's go. So we're here now in the last part of this video, and I hope you like this and this idea, and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. And thanks for watching everybody. Please like, subscribe and leave some comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the icon on the left and then the notification bell below. If you already subscribed, forget everything that I say. Bye.